Have you ever lived in a community with 12,000 square feet clubhouse heated facility? Have you ever thought about living in a community where it feels like you're on vacation every single day, like you're on a resort? Well, today I'm taking you to a 55 plus golf community right here at Falls Village by Stanley Martin in Durham, North Carolina. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. If you've been thinking about downsizing, simplifying your lifestyle, or just enjoying more of your time doing what you love, this is definitely a community you're going to want to see. Where premier 55 plus golf community here in Falls Village in Durham. And what I love about this location is how convenient it is. You're just short drive downtown, close to shopping, Research Triangle Park, and some of the top medical facilities in this area. So everything you need is right around you. Now, let's talk about lifestyle because this is where this community really stands out. Imagine not having to worry about yard work anymore. Lawn maintenance is taken care for you. So instead of mowing the grass, you're enjoying your mornings, meeting neighbors, or just relaxing. Clubhouse, when it comes to this amenity in this community really delivers. You got a resort-style pool with spacious deck, a community clubhouse with nearly 12,000 square feet of heated space. Perfect for gathering year-round. And even covered outdoor areas where you can sit back and unwind. It has billiard room, fitness center, yoga room, pool with zero entry to walk gradually, and lap lanes. They have racket center. And if you love staying active, there are 12 pickleball courts here, 2 tennis courts with viewing stands. Well, also additional amenities, 14 miles of walking trails and plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors. They have dog parks and, dedicated lifestyle coordinating, planning the events. So there's always something going on from social gathering to community events on the event lawn and plenty of outdoor space. Dog parks and a lifestyle coordinator. So your dog gets the exercise and you get social time. And somehow your calendar ends up busier and having fun when you're working. Of course, the golf membership incentive also. So if you're looking for a place that combines comfort, convenience, and a true sense of community, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you what living really looks here at Falls Village. Hey everyone, I'm Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to until you're ready to move. So why don't you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you won't miss anything. And whenever you're ready, 9 days or 90 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I help people just like you every day, and I'd love to help you. So now let's take a tour one of the model homes. Welcome to Falls Village here by Stanley Martin. Today we're going to tour the Baden floor plan here. So why don't we go ahead? So this floor plan has a nice front porch right here that you can put 2 rocking chairs right there, and it has a nice wide entry to the Hey, let's take a tour. All right, as we turn to the right here, this is the guest bedroom. See, it's really nice. It has this very, good size bed right here, king size, and it has a closet space right here. And this guest room have also an access to the full bathroom right there. And this one is, of course, the closet space also there. And then this hallway is really nice, and it easily flows to another. This one is your office space. Good size. Look at this French glass door. Beautiful. And then as we walked here to this left side, this could be your mud area where you, access also to the 2-car garage right here. And plenty of storage here, and then your coat closet over here. 2 leading to your washer and dryer. And this one offers a nice sink right here. It's very convenient. And as we walked here, this is your formal dining area right here. Perfect for entertaining. Plenty of room here. And this also, floor plan has a second floor loft that I will show you later. And to your living space here, wow, I'm really impressed with the size of this center island. It has this beautiful long quartz countertop, and you can easily put 4 counter stools right here for added space for entertaining or just eating a breakfast. 5 gas burner stove, gas stove, and then look at this gourmet kitchen. Stainless steel appliances right here on this side, washer and dryer, and leading to your dining area right here, to your living room. This is really good size living room, I would say, considering, And also behind you is that beautiful, spacious, screen-in porch, perfect for morning breakfast or at the end of the evening where you're just relaxing. And you are right behind the golf course. And you can see they also have an option also to have an added more living space here for your patio, for your grill, or another outdoor dining here. It's really cool. It's lots of space here. All right, let's head to it's a good size back porch there, screen-in porch. And of course, your primary bedroom. Oh, here is your walk-in pantry right there. And now, there's extra closet space right here. And as we walk towards the primary bedroom, very spacious. As you can see, there's a bench here and still a lot of space here to walk around. Yeah, very nice. I love it. And then there's a walk-in closet right there. That's one. Wait. And here's your primary bath. I love this one because this one is kind of like back-to-back separate. There's one here and then there's another one here. His and hers. And look at this frameless shower. It's huge. It's really good size, I would say. It's really good size here. Plenty of space. And another walk-in closet. So there's 2 walk-in closets in this Macintosh floor plan. And like I said, look at the convenience. This door leads to your washer and dryer. How convenient is that? You don't have to carry all your dirty clothes to walk around, outside, but you have that convenience, toward your washer and dryer. Isn't it awesome? So let's go to the second floor to the loft area right here. Here is added space for you. And look at this. This could be your, like you said, your hobby room maybe, or you can convert it to your TV room, exercise room, lots of possibilities. This also offers closet space here. And this is just the utility access. And perfect if you have also your full bathroom there. Okay, so their base price is ranging from $449 to a little bit over $700K based on the plan and the upgrade and the elevation. So there's plenty of options here to customize your home according to your budget and your lifestyle. 12 floor plans according to them that you can choose from. And right now there's 24 home sites available here, and they will be opening 600 more home sites by the opening that they're going to open by the end of the year. So their monthly HOA dues is $275, and mind you what is included in it. The Spectrum is included, which is internet gigabyte up to 1 gigabyte, 70 channels on demand. Also, your access to the community clubhouse, which is 12,000 feet of heated space. They have pool, racket center, dog park, and more. And also the best part, you don't have to mow, to edge, to prune, to weed, to fertilize, and more. So you don't have to take care of your lawn. They will be included in your HOA dues. And that's an amazing deal, isn't it? Also, in the area here, I would like to mention about the distance. Downtown Durham, 7 miles. Downtown Raleigh, 20 miles from here. And the Durham Farmers Market, 8 miles. And to the RDU Airport, it's only 10 miles. Shopping here, the Briar Creek area, 6 miles. It has 75 stores and restaurants and more. South Point Mall, 13 miles. 3 major hospitals, Duke, Rex, and UNC, 15 to 19 miles. And Deepak Center, Performing Arts Center, 10 miles. If you love sports, PNC Arena is only 16 miles. Durham Bulls Athletic Park, 10 miles. And if you love outdoor, Falls Lake is only 6 miles here. You can bike, you can hike there. And there are 300 campsites offering overnight experiences. Jordan Lake, 30 miles. Mountain to Sea Trailhead, 4 miles. American Tobacco Trailhead, 9 miles. And here's what's bonus for you. They have current incentive, $10,750 in closing costs with their preferred lender. And also they have offering reduced pricing in their homes as well. So if you've been considering to move to a 55 plus community, I'd love to show you around and help you every step of the way. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you and what you're looking for, and I would love to help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also those relocating from out of the state, out of town. There are so many great options here in Durham. And this could be where you find your next home at Falls Village. So what's the best thing about living in North Carolina? What do you guys enjoy most besides golfing?
Well, I want to say about golfing because you can golf 12 months a year, and not every day, but there's beautiful days every month of the year that you can get out and play, enjoy yourself, and hit with your buddies and have a good time.
Perfect. What about you, sir?
I love this area. Falls Village has improved greatly over the last couple of years. I personally, being from California, I love the coast here in North Carolina. I go there quite a bit to go fishing and just love the coast. Live very close to here, love this area.
Keep it on repeat, tested by the passion.